This 2022 Coachmen Catalina Trail Blazer 29th is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Coachmen is 35 feet 8 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 6, skylight, slide-out, external shower, refrigerator, oven, microwave, Colorado Detector, leveling jacks, TV, water heater, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, raised patio, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Catalina Trail Blazer 29th is 7,082 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.